Alright, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chairs. All these metal chairs. 8. One over there, 9. Like they've all put them up on this end. 1, 2. There's that one. I mean, we only have 4 chairs here. So now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, especially where my bed is. 4, 5, and then he's got the Bluetooth speaker on that one. Okay. 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so now I'm about to get everything else. Okay, here we go. Okay, these on. 11. And we're going to enjoy the fries tonight. And choosing it. What's the deal with all the extra chairs?
What was that?
What's the deal with all the extra chairs? Where do we get all those chairs from?
Which extra chairs?
The ones that are in here.
Inside the...
Yeah, we only used to have like 3 or 4, and now we have like 10.
I have no clue. I guess people just want to sit or something.
What?
In here?
Yeah. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. There's like 9 of them.
They're good to have them at, like next to their bed as long as they don't have like overwhelming.
No, I don't care. I mean, I was wondering where they're coming from. Can I get an extra?
Yeah. I mean, I'm not sure where they're coming from. I mean, you can grab one of those if they have it.
Okay, you don't mind? Okay, perfect. Thank you.